of innovation, exploration. But what made this workshop truly meaningful?
The direct guidance and the hands-on time we got from AWS and Dell technology experts during the ANRF National Workshop. And that's what makes the biggest difference.
We learned how cloud computing works in real time through demos, labs, and interactive sessions.
Every day added a new layer of understanding, from cloud fundamentals to advanced topics like AI, ML, and federated learning.
And one of the questions which came across was how important the hands-on experience is when a student is learning anything on cloud computing, or for that matter, anything on technology. So my answer would be, if you don't do the hands-on, you will never got to know the problems an engineer will ever face in the complete life cycle of that particular technology.
This is how Chandigarh University continues to empower learners, stronger, smarter, and ready for tomorrow.